Hey, it's Mandy Misery, and I'm out with one of my best friends, Alyssa. There's my boyfriend.
It is don't be a broken condom.
That is my friend John, aka John. That's John Lennon. That's Bryant.
What?
Okay, we're making a video.
Remember, she was awake.
About nothing, this bullshit era. Because we're in downtown
No, it was Ashley.
Bowling Green, Kentucky,
Was it Caleb? Yeah,
and we're acting fucking crazy. Look at this guy. Look at John Lennon. Look how fucking crazy this guy.
That felt like cardboard. Where's that little glitter? Kirby. Where are the flowers? Different names. You can't have the same fucking name. What are you doing with yourself?
Like I said, we're acting fucking crazy.
Have a good day. You too. I'm about to run in the street.
Yeah.
Have a beautiful day. Oh God! Run! Holy shit! There's the Grim Reaper.
Oh.
Bitch, I am a Grim Reaper.
Look, if the cops are coming for me, if the cops are coming for me, this is where I'd hide, like right here.
If the cops are coming for me, I was saying I am a tree.
We're acting very, very crazy tonight, and
Hey,
Milliken.
dude, did you see what he did? He goes, if the cops are coming for me,
I am a tree. Rames. Hello, people.
that's my boyfriend Christian. Look at us make out. I don't think he even got it.
Snoop Dogg, where are you?
What the fuck are they doing?
Let's go. No, we can't. No, let's go. Let's go.
These are my friends, everyone. And this is me on a Tuesday night.
How in the hell did that thing time us just fucking right?
I don't know. But this video is just us acting fucking crazy as hell because we fucking can. And
This is me every day. What are you talking about? Hey! How are you today?
we're gonna get shot.
They want to party.
You say you wanna fuck?
I worry about you. You are
Dude, I want to go walk on that door.
She was gonna open the Everyone, I'm sorry I had to deal with our fucking
My going is hurting. Let's call the lawyer.
Harrison going. Going, motherfucker.
Okay.
Above the influence. I am not above the
She
influence.
messed the 40.
I am the influence, bitches.
We're not on any drugs right now, I promise you that. This is us on like an average day. Look at my boyfriend.
Let's go to the yoga.
Look at my fucking boyfriend. I love that guy.
Ooh.
Oh my God.
The Notre Back. What's his face?
The Notre Back of Dom. Oh my God, what is he doing in Bowling Green? The Notre Back of Dom.
That's like band name.
Notre Back of Dom. No, that is our posse, bitch. We are the Notre Back of Dom, bitches. What? Rabbit. I am the clip commander.
I'm sorry you had to deal with our crazy and awkwardness. But I hope you enjoyed this video because we're being fucking crazy today. And I want to share this night with you. My bands are going all over the place because it's really, really windy out tonight.
Look, we haven't been on the ferry yet. We made it to Hogwarts.
We're at Hogwarts.
Don't do that. I hit the fucking window. That's
Dude, I thought that was a goal.
That is vandalism. She thought it was a school.
Alyssa thought it was that church. Right there was a school. Or like
I know,
not,
give me
bitch.
my suppressor.
Oh my God, cops are down there.
Woo! Hello, police. I'm a tree.
That's not a cop.
Are you sure?
Yes, cops have white and blue. That's a random cop.
Hey, look. Y'all want to ride the bus with me?
No.
I'm a sexy bus rider.
She's underage. Don't get any ideas.
I'm a sexy bus driver.
According to Christian, I'm a sex goddess. I probably shouldn't say that on YouTube. Sorry. Look at John
not a butthole pirate, it's a hooker.
Hey, you know the movie Hook?
Yeah.
We have a VCR tape of it, and I erased.
Look, I'm a hooker. I'm standing by the tree.
No, I didn't erase. I added ER to
And
Hook.
This is how we do it.
Oh my gosh, John.
I'm cheap now. I lowered my prices just for you. Baby, come back.
You can blame it on me.
I really don't need the couch. Oh my god, I want a couch. Those are ugly as hell, though.
Ugly couches, ugly couches. Look at it, look at it.
couch too? Here comes the KKK. Oh god.
Holy shit.
Fucking white.
Good
Okay,
thing
fellas.
I am not black.
Wait, I'm black.
Oh shit.
Okay, okay.
I masturbated with ink
He's
on my
already
hands and my penis was black for a week. Does that count?
Man, we're gonna get killed if we go back in that alley. We're gonna get shot.
Quickly, let's go in the alley.
Oh, look at that person on a bike. Look at him go.
Look at that nigga go. We go get the KKK on him. I'm just kidding. I'm not racist
We're
in
not
any way.
racist.
I'm
We're
black.
just having fun.
You just can't see in the sun. I mean, in the dark. You can tell I'm black, just not in the dark.
This is one of my best friends.
Look, I'm Batman. I did something.
And you're wearing a Twilight shirt.
Die.
And he's one that has the Batman shirt.
Yeah, somebody fucking fell down the stairs and
I'm Batman.
This video is already like 6 minutes long.
That is beautiful. This shit is going on YouTube.
Yes, it is. It's
What
going on
happens in
YouTube.
downtown Bowling Green stays on YouTube.
Okay, I'm
died.
gonna.
Jack.
Yeah, this is our adventure. And
I
Bowling
think
Green.
I am dying with crack paraphernalia in my
Bowling
pocket.
Green.
I had a jawbreaker earlier, and it was really fucking good.
I really need something to drink.
I do too.
Hey, let me tell you something funny.
Look, it's my balls.
Well, you've got metal balls. We are gonna call you Tank Tank. Every time you
I am titanium.
No, my balls are titanium.
Brian, what were you gonna do?
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna go fuck
One
that fuck.
time, at work,
Fuck, I ain't got time for that.
Exactly.
we our lead like tripped on a pallet, right? And I was telling my friend about it. He was like, "Ding dong, wicked witch." Because she wasn't doing anything.
Are you having a good night?
Yeah, we just made up. Suck it, bitches.
Hey, why are them people not in that office building? They're fucking.
I'm trying to make friendly conversation with friendly people of downtown Bowling
They're
Green,
not friendly if they didn't pay attention.
also known as Little Chicago. Hi guys, how are you guys tonight?
Is this known as Little Chicago?
Yeah, do you know that?
No.
Really?
Why is this
downtown
known
Bowling,
as-
Bowling Green.
Why is this known as Little Chicago?
Little Chicago?
Holy shit, I did not
Hey,
fucking
look
know
at me.
that.
You're gorgeous. Not really, I'm black.
You watching this right now?